In this training, we will be covering the different types of indicators within Metastock. Today's training is designed to instruct in some of the basics of Metastock in the Downloader program. We will provide some guidelines for using certain features within the software. However, nothing presented in this training is intended as, or should be construed to be, a recommendation to buy or sell any specific security. The information, software, and techniques presented today should only be used by investors who are aware of the risks inherent in trading. Equus shall have no liability for any investment decisions based on the use of their software, any trading strategies, or any information provided in connection with the company. At the conclusion of this training video, you should know the different types of indicators, how to apply those indicators to a chart, how to create inner windows within a chart and apply an indicator into the inner window, know the different scaling options for an indicator, and where to enter a formula for a custom indicator. There are three types of indicators in Metastock. The small icon displayed next to the indicators in the indicator quick list shows the indicator types. These small icons are only visible in the indicator quick list. In order to view the indicator quick list, you must have a chart open. The first type of indicators are the price indicators. These are identified with the price bar icon. Price indicators are always calculated on the security price data. The second type of indicators are identified with the F icon. They are custom indicators, which can be calculated on the price data or another indicator's data. The third type of indicators are the plot-based indicators and are identified by the jagged line icon. Plot-based indicators can be plotted directly on an existing plot. For example, a moving average is a plot-based indicator, since it can be plotted on the price data or another indicator. For example, a moving average of the MACD. These types of indicators will default to calculate on the price plot unless you specifically select a different plot on the chart. An indicator is a mathematical calculation based around different types of technical analysis strategies that can be applied to a security's price, volume, or even to another indicator. Indicators are plotted either in a separate inner window or overlaid in the base security's inner window, such as a moving average. We will begin by showing how to apply the different indicators within Metastock. For this example, we will use the IBM chart. The best way to access indicators to plot on your chart is through the indicator quick list. The indicator quick list is only available when a chart is open. There are two ways to display indicators within a chart. You can plot an indicator in the same window as the price plot, in the same window as another indicator, as well as in its own inner window. There is a maximum of 10 inner windows per chart. Let's review the different ways of opening an inner window. First, by choosing Window, New Inner Window, or you can right-click on the background of the chart, select Inner Window, New. Lastly, you can drag and drop the indicator from the indicator quick list in the title bar of the open chart to automatically create an inner window and plot the indicator. We will review this method in this training example. We will use the indicator quick list to plot the MACD onto the chart. Using the drop-down menu from the indicator quick list, let's scroll through our list of indicators and locate the MACD. Using click and drag, let's drag the mouse pointer into the same inner window as the price. This will change the price color to magenta. Magenta is the color of the item the indicator will calculate against. And this is how all indicators work in Metastock. Release your mouse button, hit OK to the Properties window, and this will plot the MACD into the same inner window as the price bars. When an indicator is plotted in the same inner window as the price data on the chart, and properties have been set, Metastock will ask how to display the scale for that indicator. In the scaling options, you have the choices of Display New Scale on left. This displays a new scale to the left-hand side of the chart. Display New Scale on right. This displays a new scale to the right-hand side of the chart. Merge with Scale on left. This display merges the values of the indicator with the existing scale on the left. Merge with Scale on right. This display merges the value of the indicator with the existing scale on the right. Overlay without a scale. This overlays the indicator without using any scale to the left or right of the chart, so the indicator free floats in the chart. In Metastock, there is the ability to create custom indicators. Metastock's formula team is always available to help with custom development. For help with custom development, send the information to our formulas team via email only at formulas@equus.com. Due to the complexity of the formula language, we do not support custom formula design over the phone or via chat. It can take up to 10 business days to respond to the email. We also reserve the right to charge for any formula requested. However, if there is a charge, you will be notified before the design of the formula. Our Metastock formula development team has made a manual called the Formula Primer. The Formula Primer is designed to assist customers when using the Metastock formula functions to create custom indicators, expert advisors, explorations, and system testers. You can find our Formula Primer on our website at www.equus.com. Next, we will briefly review where we enter in the custom formula to create a custom indicator. From within Metastock, select Tools, Indicator Builder. From the options on the right, select New. Within the Name section, enter a name with up to 50 characters. The name entered will appear in the inner window title bar when plotted onto a chart, as well as in the Indicator Builder and the Indicator Quick List. Display in Quick List. Check this box if you want the custom indicator to appear in the Indicator Quick List. Once in the Indicator Quick List, it can be dragged and dropped just like any other indicator into a chart. Enter the formula for the custom indicator in the Formula section. A formula can contain up to 2,500 characters on multiple lines. There are many available resources to help create custom formulas. For more information and help on creating custom formulas, please watch our support introduction video on the Equus support page. Functions. This displays the Paste Functions dialog to choose from a list of available functions and have the functions pasted into the formula box. This button is disabled unless your cursor is in the Formula Edit box. We have covered the 3 different types of indicators, how to apply an indicator to a chart, and how to create inner windows and add indicators to those inner windows. We have described the different scaling options for the indicators of a chart and where to enter the custom code for creating custom indicators. We wish you wonderful success with our outstanding software.